Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by RK sir. Now we have to solve question number 13, exercise 10.1. Question is given that prove that opposite side of a quadrilateral circumscribe a circle subtended supplementary angles at the center of the circle. Question is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral circumscribe to a circle with center O. Here we have to prove angle AOB plus angle DOC is equal to 180 degree. That means supplementary. Or angle AOD plus angle BOC is equal to 180. That means supplementary. Here construction. Join point O to points A, B, C and D and P, Q, R, S. Clear? Proof. In a triangle, right angle triangle CRO, this will be 90 degree because the angle between tangent and radius, and this is also equal to the 90 degree. Here this is the tangent and this is the radius, so it will be 90 degree, and this is the tangent and this is the radius, so it will be also equal to the 90 degree. Similarly here 90 and 90, and this is also equal to the 90 and 90 degree. Clear? So in a right angle triangle APO and triangle ASO. Clear? So it will be angle this and this. So we have to angle APO is equal to the angle ASO. Angle ASO equal to the 90 degree of each, and this is the hypotenuse and this is the hypotenuse. So AO is equal to the AO common side, and OP is equal to the OS. OP is equal to the OS. This is radius of the same circle. Clear? So we can say that triangle APO and congruent triangle ASO by RHS congruency. So angle 4 equal to 5. Angle 4 is equal to the angle 5 by CP CT. Clear? Similarly, in a triangle DSO, DSO and triangle DRO, DRO. Triangle DSO congruent triangle DRO by RHS. So angle 6 equal to angle 7. Angle 6 is equal to the angle 7. This is equation number first and this is equation number second. Again in triangle CRO and triangle CQO, CQO. C triangle CRO congruent will be congruent to triangle CQO by RHS. So we can say that angle 8 is equal to the angle 1. So angle 8 is equal to the angle 1. This is equation number third. Again in triangle BQO, in triangle BQO and triangle BPO, triangle BQO congruent triangle BPO by RHS. So we can say that angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. This is equation number 4. But we have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is equal to the 360 degree because complete angle. Because these are complete angle. Clear? Now but here is angle 1 equal to the angle 8. So we put in place of we have to find 5 plus 6 and 1 plus 2 is equal to 180 degree. So we have to write only 1 and 2 and 5 and 6 and other values convert into 5 6 or 1 2. Clear? So we have to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to the angle 2. So we put in place of 3 is equal to angle 2. This angle 3 is equal to the angle 2. So we put in place of 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to the angle 5. Angle 4 is equal to the angle 4 is equal to the angle 5. So we put in place of 4 angle 5 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to the angle 7. So we put angle 6 plus angle 6 in place of 7. We put again angle 6 plus angle 8 is equal to the angle 1. So we put in place of 8 equal to angle 1 is equal to 360 degree. Clear? We have to 1 and 2. 2 times of angle 1 plus 2 times of angle 2 plus 2 times of angle 5 plus 2 times of angle 6 is equal to 360 degree. Now in all 2 will be common. So 2 times of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 360 degree. Clear? 2 will be transfer and becomes divide angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 360 degree upon 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to BOC. So we put BOC plus 5 plus 6, it is equal to the AOD. Angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, we have to prove angle DOC plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Hence proved. Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.